Ever wondered how life could be with a stunning display? Let me show you the Samsung 85-inch Class QLED 4K Q60D Series Quantum HDR Smart TV. Imagine experiencing 100% color volume with quantum dot technology, where over 1 billion shades of color bring your favorite shows to life. With 4K upscaling, every scene is transformed into crisp, smooth visuals. In Motion Accelerator, say goodbye to lag and blur. Your sports and action movies are seamless. Object Tracking Sound Lite delivers 3D surround sound that follows the on-screen action, immersing you in every moment. Plus, the Air Slim design ensures it fits perfectly into any space, making it a sleek addition to your home. But that's not all. The Quantum HDR feature enhances the brightness and contrast so you see every detail, even in the darkest scenes. The Object Tracking Sound Lite delivers 3D surround sound that follows the on-screen action, immersing you in every moment. And with built-in Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby, you can control your TV with just your voice. Ready for an update? Try the Samsung Q60D today. Link in the first comment pinned to the video.